Hey, in fine list fam. Today, we're about to dive into a style revolution, and if you're into stepping up your shoe game, you're in the right place. Before we unravel the magic of Nike Gamma Force women's shoes, make sure to hit that subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and join the In Fine List family for more epic content. Now, let's get into it. Introduction to Nike Gamma Force. Ever wondered how a pair of shoes could be a game changer? Well, get ready to meet the Nike Gamma Force, the secret weapon to elevate your style. Discounted from $90, with a jaw-dropping 18% off. I'm not kidding, these kicks are a steal at $72.97. But wait, there's more. Stick around to unveil a secret code for an extra 25% off. Intrigued? Keep watching. Exploring dimensional style and heritage. Let's peel back the layers of style and heritage. The Gamma Force isn't just a shoe, it's a journey through basketball culture history. The color materials throw it back to the golden era of sports, and the subtle platform? It's like a style elevator, taking you to new fashion heights, quite literally. Member exclusive deal. But here's the plot twist, my friends. If you want to unlock an extra 25% off on select styles, there's a secret handshake involved. Use the code CELEBRATE, but there's a catch, you've got to be a member. Don't worry, it's easy. Log in or sign up for free to get in on the exclusive deal. Trust me, it's worth it. The legacy of Gamma Force. Let's talk legacy. These aren't just shoes, they're the architects of your daily style. From morning hustle to midnight adventures, the Gamma Force is your ride or die. Court style that seamlessly transitions wherever life takes you. Memes break, and because we all need a breather, here's a meme to tickle your funny bone. Insert hilarious Nike meme. Comfort and versatility. Let's get real about comfort and versatility. These shoes aren't just a fashion statement, they're a comfort manifesto. Running errands or conquering the world, the Gamma Force has got your back. Versatile, comfortable, and stylish, the triple threat you've been waiting for. Elevate your look. Elevate your look, elevate your life. Ever felt like your outfit needed a boost?